This is a Transit Custom Euro 6. What we've done for this one is replaced the standard forward barrel with the aftermarket Replock. So as you know, what we do is we also disconnect the unlock command, so this lock will not activate the central locking. The lock command will, but what we do is we remove the unlock wire from the vehicle, so it's not unlocking. We do this inside the bodywork. Bit of a warning sticker there, unlock wire removed. So people are attacking this loom here. I won't show you how or the method, but if you attack this loom, you can get into the van. So we don't cut the wire here, we cut it actually inside the body control module. Also disconnect the alarm's about to go off. I'll just stop that. Disconnect the internal buttons because these can be reactivated. I've done that on both sides. You can reactivate them if you want, but I disconnect them to stop the unlocking being activated for the back doors. The customer already had some deadlocks fitted. They're not mine, but nice T-series locks. Nice warning sticker, but advertising. So yeah, Transit Custom Mark II, which is a Euro 6. Replacement door barrel, wiring mods, driver's door, passenger door buttons deactivated, and a nice little warning sticker. Thank you very much. The replacement locks are 169 plus the VAT, supplied and fitted. Cheers.